How to change your currency on Pionex app. If you wish to change your currency on the Pionex app, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to launch the Pionex application, and then we want to make sure to log into our account. Once we've done that, tap the account icon or the profile icon located at the top left of the screen, as you can see right there. Then when we've done that, we will see all these options, where what we want to do is go to the option that says app settings and tap on it. From app settings at the very top, you can see the option called currency setting. Currently mine is set to USD for the default one, so you can tap on it and you can change it to any of the other currencies that are supported within Pionex. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.